Just took my potatoes out of the microwave and they've been in for 10 minutes. So I'm going to take a fork and stab one just to make sure they're cooked. Oh, they're nice and soft. Just like I knew they would be. So what you're going to do is go on, let me go get my drain thing. And I'm going to put this in my sink. You got to take your potatoes. Make sure not to burn yourself. And just you're gonna drain your mashed potatoes. My glasses fog up and I can't see. Okay, there we go. The potatoes drained and my glasses are fogged up and okay, I can't really see. That's a technical difficulty. I'm going to get this little potato out and take my glasses off because I can't see. There we go. And then we're going to put that on the side. You don't want to burn yourself. And here are your mashed potatoes. And you're just going to take your mashed potatoes and dump it back in the bowl. You can put it in another bowl. You should put it in that bowl. I'm so stupid. You're going to get your potato masher. Potato masher. And you're going to mash these potatoes. You can peel them if you want. Extra nutrition. Don't peel them. I never peel them. These things. Just gonna mash them. Out them. Maybe I'm gonna use a little bit longer. 10 minutes. You want these to be quick, so. And then you're gonna add your butter. And your milk. And some salt and pepper. Not too much salt. Probably way too much. Since my butter is salty. And then get some pepper in there. Get that nice flavor of the pepper. My glasses are probably clear up by now. I can probably okay, so okay. You're just gonna mix all together. Let your butter melt on your mashed taters. And put that butter melt in. Let's just stir that. I'm gonna put, hopefully I'll be able to get myself to put the recipe in the box below, so you guys can have a printed copy if you want to print it and make it. Because we don't like getting your computers dirty sometimes. Sorry, this is taking forever, but there we go. And you serve that up, and you can serve it with some gravy. I don't have gravy. We're short on gravy. But, yeah, that's basically it. Still one flying. But that's just basically it. That's microwave mashed potatoes. I hope you liked this video. Please like it and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.